I listen to the sound of the rain pouring down my window, praying for a gentle wind to bring my baby back again. Trying to be strong, but I'm not getting any stronger. Loneliness is tearing apart this heart of mine. I lie awake, 'cause I can't take another night lonely. It's been too long, I can't hold on no more. It all not explain out. 'Cause I gotta see my baby. It's been too long since I held him in my arms, and I just won't sleep at night till he's sleeping here beside me, yeah. Here beside me, yeah. Yo. It's been too. Anyways, that was my Sunday concert for you guys. Happy Sunday. Look here, I hope you appreciate that, because usually I charge for them type of something there. Usually I charge for them type of performance there, but you are uno, me just give you a little tips. Just a little tips I go for free. You are uno, you understand me? Yeah man, but happy Sunday everybody. You know the drill. I'm showing you my Sunday morning. Here comes my darling daughter. I wonder if Ari got tired of me. When did she realize that I want to eat it? I mean, for now, you know what? It's fine, because she don't get it. But later on. Anyways, queer. I can't even say. I say I watch Ari close them. Period and fall. Sun come up, but I not make it fool me, because I saw the morning them start. Sun, and then little more period. Well, you know, I'm there right to just chill out on this fine Sunday morning. I'm about to make some breakfast for my baby. You know, so I just wanted to come and say hello. May I stop say good morning? Because I realize that sometimes I say good morning, I'm gonna post the video till I even. It just look disrespectful. It just look like it not make no sense. You understand me? So I'm gonna make some breakfast for my baby and ting. We're gonna rally around, dibble dabble, fribble frabble, and we come back. Bye. I sit down right aside, eat some toast. What we make for her? Toast and jam. She's having some jam on toast. Yeah, I don't know she stays. She don't want her buckle. And we just give her some true juice. So she sit down right there. So I chow down pan that. I'm not get nothing to eat it. You know, I just beat Irie and everything and start her out first. And then you know, say, yeah, I'm deal with myself second. Is it yummy? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? So they're gonna make Eric go and eat our food and thing. I don't know if my might have got end up go shop. I don't know. Period and fall. From yesterday, wash Eric clothes and them can't dry. Ouch. Ow. Wow. So we're gonna make Eric go and eat our food and then we come back. Stop eating my charger. Stop eating my charger. Bread and mayo. No. And brother come and give me some jerks. No. Hey, no. But the man for put up the TV for me just call me. Him did tell me to buy one something named shelf bracket. But him did not give me the piece of wood. Why? Now give me the piece of wood for go party, but him saying he can't find none. So I tell him I have to go buy the wood so the TV is still up on the floor for now. Careful. I'm just going to eat this. I'm still going to make my crackers and tea. I'm just going to eat this. You're craving, you know? Where you get that from? I don't mean. Hey, I don't know I make Irish or sometimes, you know. I say from Mawnin, our granny. You see, Irish have our time, them. One time she will go to you, one next time she don't want to hear about you. And when I tell her say Irie love her granny, Irie love her granny. And from morning, mommy I take Irie now look. I want money I come for come here, go down the road go buy bleach because I tell you say a period a fall, you know. Come like about 2 weeks now, straight rain. That's how wish for my live stay. So true that now Irie stroller them did want to wash and true all sort of food sitting in at them. When Irie go in at them go eat. And then you know say the place cold, be a mildew. So I go wash them at 2 stroller area avenue. It is very fortunate. Because when you know I go, you know my story already from the disappearance of her daddy. I did need one stroller, auntie did buy her one stroller, and then you know when her father did reappear like Houdini in the car one stroller, so she end up with 2. So right now the 2 of them dirty. So I have the 2 of them to wash. So I go buy one bleach. But me I tell you no how Irie is a user from morning little girl now go to her granny, you know. So now she still like mommy I left the yard because true mommy I got shot. But just tell me to wait for me come over and bleach too. True she still say mommy I left out of the yard now. The little girl start ball for her granny. Eh? Tell me if Irie is not a general. You stay there look for me. See Irie close them there? From yesterday me I tell you no all no. And by the looks of this frock, you don't have to ask, you don't know, say it's not for me, you don't know it go already. Guys, let's have a discussion about my insecurities. I'm so worried that my titties are just flat. I mean, I know say it come with the breastfeeding and everything. I don't know, some of the business when me attack, you know. Yes, because my titties are so flat. I don't think them will ever bounce back like after me done breastfeed and everything. Give myself like a time. I don't think them will ever. You know, I mean, them not gonna be how them used to be. But I think them will even spring up a little bit, man. It's so weird, you know. Because you see, before I did have Irie, like while I was pregnant, before I gave birth, I did a worry and I say, first, one time me all balance in my titty and I go feed my baby. And one time, I think when me in my 9th month of pregnancy, one of the nurse comes and I still like a milk and come like more and ball with happiness. But that's not the point. But that worry say like, oh me I go breastfeed because, you know, as a grown woman and you double, I always saw like my breasts as like sexual, you know. But then like once me start breastfeed, me surprised how it came natural and it never weird at all for me. I think somebody did, and my sister did ask me if like it feel now. I'm like, no, I'm surprised how normal it feel. But now that I'm so used to it, it's like I can't see my breasts as anything but just for milk for my baby. Understand me? Sometimes me and I breastfeed, my brother them there right. They say so my titty hang out to do same way because I know the area come back funny. Because it's like that's all me see my breast them. Is this too much information? I don't know. I'm just telling you how I'm feeling. Don't judge me. But that's all me see my titty them as. But you know, say one day eventually, maybe one day soon, because y'all know in about 2 weeks time it's gonna be Irie's first birthday. I wanna put on Irie present them. Okay. Yeah, but me I say I probably soon start breastfeed, so you know, so eventually I'm maybe gonna be utilizing my breath for other purposes. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, yeah, what else I tell you now? I go down the road now. The palm away already. Go buy the bleach. So when time I come back up, I make my little tea and crackers. I will drop asleep. So I go worry about what she's throwing at him before she wake up. I want to talk it through with God love. Where them go to? I want to come out. You know, say anyone wake up my pit now and I like it. Where? Come out. Let's have to come out. No, but all my days I run out the code. You know, say I try no pitney, I have pitney, I not go do no bad. But I need to come out of this. Mommy! I see them mother there. See them mother there. Before you call your pitney them out of the place. Out of my place before they wake up my pitney. Any how you make them wake up my pitney, we are going to sit today. We are going to see. God have mercy. You can't just, you have to do things the hard way. Because if I go in there now and then ball out, them I go wake up airy. You can't just come out. Come out, man. I beg you, please. Please, come out. Kuya. I wonder if me move and grow now. Yes, good girl. Come on. Yeah, get her, yeah, boy. Come get these goats out my room. Maybe if me just left them, they would come out. God, I don't know. Bad to bad, you know, say me not like foolish. I'm a crackers and tea, me just make, you know. I'm say me just go sit down with Irie until me done drink this. And then go wash out the pram them. Come see them two goats in my room. I never see nothing like this. And all me turn up here so. From me showing the goat, them me turn up here about 5 minutes. All now they not come out, you know. Queer. One of them come out, the next one stand up in the doorway like him a security. I see if me rush them, them go make nice and wake up Irie, you know. Alright, one gone. I wonder if I'm going to follow him, brother. Go on, man, you look good. Sure. He come out, he turn up on the step. Come like him a if but if he go. Alright, then gone. But just go sit down and drink my little tea and crackers and then go wash them stroller before the sun decide for recede. Lo and behold, might as well me did run them because see it there? I wake up. Anyway, I still have to drink the crackers and tea and then I don't know, I left her with her granny. A crackers and nothing. I left her with her granny or with one of her uncle. I'm gonna wash the stroller them. How was your nap? Yeah, make me detangle your hair today? Make me detangle your hair today? How was your nap? Alright, so we'll go and vibe out. I drink my crackers and tea because I can't believe I wake up and I know them go out there do it. And my money them in there. I don't have money in there. And the money no in there.
Body's tuned them with the love as a books. Bula. Bula to see R. Really, remember this song? No, but never have no gun.
I knew that was.
You shot me with a. I like it.
I believe I can fly.
I know that one.
I got shot by the air. I believe I can fly. I got shot by the FBI. The FBI never had no gun. Going to me with a Easter bun. The Easter bun never had no cheese. Going to me with a movie. No, I lie. The kind says shoot me with a red stripe here.
Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5, I'll be on 9, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in 5, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in 5, I'll be on 9, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Yeah. It's the type of shit that you've been waiting on here for. I'm making time for a minute, yeah, you with it. Got a lot of time, I just need some way to spend it. I just press a button in the top, go missing. I got the slip so you know it's not winning, yeah. Oh, what you wanna do? Worry about your friends, it's all you this afternoon. I've been reading your mind. No fear, but you gotta let me know. I'm all ears and I got a lot of room. My way, if you wanna take it there. I'm on my way. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me at 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me at 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Drop top the porch, put that bitch in sport out here in the field, oh yeah. I'm already yeah. Come outside looking like a snack. Hurry up, get in, hell yeah. Come with me on this mission. Riding down the coast, I want up for sure. You said break a lead, I said press the weed. Pull up to the club, boss, said you never been before. Put you in if I could talk, girl, I made you meet more. You said you left your ex, that you was always catching. You said before me, you ain't never been this happy. You took an L with him and winning ever since. You in my phone, I'm on my way, I can't complain. I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, and you can meet me at 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way, and you can meet me at 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. You're trying to make a move. Tonight I got the time, tell me what you wanna do. Call a squad if you wanna rendezvous. They gon' push up on their own, I only got room for 2. Front of chicks on the slip, it's a Porsche, not a Vic. I confess, I'm a flex, till they show some respect. Get away so we can make sense of your life. You wasn't pop, but I just put your shit in drive. Now, close, like there's no tomorrow. Moving too fast, I'm open to drive slow. I don't want you to wonder where I go. Can learn a lot from this and it's something that I know. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me at 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day. Put it in drive, I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the way and you can meet me at 5. I'll be all night, I'll be all day. I'll be all day.
If I had no more time. Erin left the TV because honestly with a ball if I mash it up. Erin she drop asleep. She the right to say I'm an advantage. But her beer rain, me tell her say the rain now give me a break. Right now the two problem I wash. They know say them want whole heap of sun to dry. So I know say mommy take them up still but I know them not go dry for today. Because this a rain not have for today. Meanwhile, I smell mommy around the start cook up the food. Smell delicious. I'm going to put on Irie, and since the rain has fallen, I'm not really sure if I will continue the video, but me see still, because right now I just go and watch like a monk. I watch on Netflix monk. But you know that's something that used to come on TV, Jane. I'm going to put on Irie, lay down a little bit and go and watch like a monk. So, me pick one up, me see how it go. I even think when I can't hear the TV because me can't even hear and through area statement and turn it no more but I fear rain. Anyway, I'm watching TV with the captions on because like how else I'm supposed to hear it? If I don't put out the caption, how else I'm supposed to hear it like? If I know, you know. Come here, Irie. I say up your walk area walk. Me that try show you earlier, but you know through the room space limited. Come here, lovey. Irie, they start eat piece of chicken because our granny give me chicken. I don't know it gosh she have to take it. But me say rain a fall. I don't know what time now. I must be about 20 minutes to 5. A couple minutes to 5 or something like that there for sure. No. I already take a nap on me the day I watch Monk and I saw me end up take a nap too. Drop right asleep. So I wake up now and mommy give me a little dumpling. You know when you fry the chicken, you have the little flour left, you just take it make dumpling. So mommy give me one of the dumpling and piece of the little chicken back. So me and I already just eat it. But now I feel like I go all a fresh. The day done gone already. I can't believe the day gone. I'm asleep. I threw the rain, I don't know it going time, rain or fall, and you just lay down to watch a little one show. And worse too, I already did asleep. I'm not here watch her. I just faded into my tiredness. So I feel like I got bathe now because mommy soon done cook. So I'm just like a bathe from early, even though it's not that early. I eat my dinner and chill out, man. The place coolish. So I'm just like a bathe from now. So I don't know. I really feel like this not end up be that long because I really didn't do much besides sleep. But when time I get my dinner, I go see one bag of things because I'm buy corn from my neighbor. And she said, I nah cook the corn. I said, Mama, cook the little corn, man. So you know, so she cook corn now. She cook it with little sugar and little butter. So when time I get the dinner, I know, so I go, yeah, they tell me to stop calling her name again anyways. When I get the dinner, I know, so I'm not going to see it. So I go run, go bed, and I soon come back. Alright, I bed, I just bed and come in, you know. But not even for sure, because you know, YouTube not like me. But I don't know, I'm just use my call. Really? I see what I tell you now. I'm just tell you. Abugo, Jesus Christ, I don't come. Bad so bad, I couldn't tell me so Abugo didn't have my nose while ago. So anyways, I tell you how Irie just dropped while ago. I'm not dry half good now, but no matter watch test. No watch that. I see someone say that good. I'm more moisture for your skin anyways. I tell you how Irie just dropped while ago. So you know, so she a baby, she drop, she go ball out. Anyway, she lick up in it, but I tell you know what happened. You see when time Irie cry, you see Irie uncle them not play about Irie. So when her uncle there, when time she drop while ago, and me say, and kick up her own post. Them not want to hear Irie cry now, them not even want to hear Irie say, eh. And Irie go drop, so you know, so she ball out a good ball out. And I say, when go on with them? Go on bad. Honestly, I love it. I can't say I don't love it. They go crazy for her. Anyways, I just solution body come on go around this I go eat my dinner now. It's a get late right now. I think is a couple minutes to 6. Tell the truth. I'm going to lose weight. Well, look on plate. It's a mac and cheese mommy make. It's a sweet corn, my little chicken, my little rice. I'm going to put like a mayonnaise in. The man no business. You know, so I'm going to eat the rice. The mayo with everything. But I'm going to lose weight. And this is a sweet corn. Nice. Yeah, man, mommy boil it with little sugar and little butter. But you know what I want to know? Why me a pay for storage? I pay $500, but just like a silver shot. Ari and her uncle in this I watch Miss Rachel if you're not here. Why me a pay $500 a month for storage? I know me a record and this phone I come tell me say I don't have no storage. And the whole of the storage not even half used so me a pay for. Honestly, I'm craving but I can't eat half of this. Bad too bad, I can't eat half so much food. Honestly, I can't eat half so much food. But guys, I feel like this end up be really short because I really sleep out the day. Between the rain, I mean I know but I've been feeling really exhausted from my day. Our uncle are in her. Because she gone pay Jim for food. If she ever knows me have food out here, she she run come. But I really feel like I will end the video. I'm not add. I'm not add. I can't stay with you now. I can't stay. I have to go close out the video. You come on, me call me back. Tomorrow. Because I need to do better. I really make an effort to be more consistent. I'm really I go try. So guess what I'm gonna do tomorrow. German, I have to hang up now. Come I have to eat my food later. I have to come back briefly because I never remember say pork did in the fridge. You know, see to all the plate can't even wall. I'm not leaning down, you know, because I couldn't make my food that way. When the mama say pork in the fridge, so mama just carry the pork come. And mommy couldn't get no cabbage, so she never make no raw veg. She make pasta, but she already eat the mac and cheese. I don't want the pasta. Bad so bad, my craving, but I don't reach them limit then. Yeah, man, but I really got hang up now. And the juice, I'm gonna bring it out here because mommy just make like an iced tea. This thing they come in at the barrel like, I don't know iced tea, but it's an iced tea. I have to go hang up. Because I there start talk to her and the phone I cut out. I tell me I don't have the storage. So I have to go try fix it later. So I have to go hang up on. But there's no say. The food bad. I'm not reach nowhere yet. But you don't have to ask me, I'm going to eat it off. Don't ask Christ. May I come? But me I tell you say iced tea in the fridge. I'm not going to feed yet because I still eat my food. That's what I tell you. I'm going to hang up now because this storage thing it get to me. I want me to pay for storage but I can't access it. Anyways, me calling her back tomorrow. I love you now.